Matthew Ladd here with Group Kenworth Montreal T.N.T. Trucks and Tips. This week we're going to look at the factory steering wheel options and the pros and cons of both options. Let's look at those two options right now. This is the standard 18-inch 4-spoke steering wheel that comes with every Kenworth T680, T880, W9, and W990 truck. As you can see from the position of the spokes, you have an excellent view of all the gauges on the dash. This is the 18-inch 4-spoke leather-wrapped smart wheel. There's also an option to have it not with the leather wrap. What's great about these steering wheels is on your left-hand side, you have your radio controls, and on your right-hand side, you have your cruise controls. Now, when looking at the two options, the smart wheel is great because it keeps everything right at the thumbs of the driver and they don't have to reach over the side, keeping their focus ahead. But also the standard steering wheel is great because you have a full vision of the gauge. Don't forget to consider the replacement cost of these parts if there is an issue. Obviously, the smart wheel is much more expensive to replace as compared to the standard steering wheel. And that's Group Kenworth Montreal T.N.T. Trucks and Tips, and I'm Matthew Ladd. Thank you.